Assembling the bed cabinet. Position the panels and the already assembled parts on the ground. Insert the wood dowels into the appropriate holes. To position the first side panel, check that the lifting bracket is located inside the cabinet, with the long section of the bracket pointing upwards. Attach the small central board and the top panel to the first side panel. Then align and attach the second panel. Attach the top panel to the side panels with the particle board screws. Make sure that the screw head is flush with the panel surface. Move to the base of the cabinet frame to secure the bottom panel. Place this panel so that the finished side is facing the inside of the cabinet, and the holes that will receive the cam lock nuts face the ceiling. Now attach this panel with the particle board screws. It is time to attach the headboard with the particle board screws. Make sure that you added the two dowels to the unfinished side of the panel. They will support the small central part. Repeat the operation with the panel under the top panel. Then, lift the cabinet in standing position.